Hello and welcome to the short video on the Kupo slim type half couplers. A pipe grid is a grid made from pipes, of course, or steel tubing that is used to support lights and accessories from the ceiling. Couplers are designed to join pipes to one another, or to join pipes and light fixtures or accessories together. Bring me a Big Ben. Not that kind of Big Ben. The coupler with the 1/1/8 junior pin. Give me that. Now keep calm and make yourself disappear. As you've just heard, this coupler or clamp with a junior pin is also affectionately known as a Big Ben clamp. This coupler can accommodate tubing 2 inches in diameter. It features a solid steel junior 1/1/8 inch pin. The wing nut on the main bolt is captive, so it will not come off or get lost. Its slim profile cuts a lot of bulk, weighing in only at 1.74 pounds, but has a massive 440 pound load capacity. Let's rig a goalpost or a piece of pipe between 2 light stands where we can rig some lighting fixtures. In this case, we'll use 2 wind-up stands to create a goalpost, as these stands already have the 3-way universal heads with junior receivers, and wheels of course, to make it easier to move our rig. First, we will drop the junior pins of a pair of Big Bens into the receivers of our wind-up stands. Next, we will open a clamp and place the pipe inside. Lastly, close the clamp, swing the bolt in place, and tighten a wing nut, and we are ready to mount some lights. Now that we have our goalpost set up, let's rig an ARRI 1K Fresnel with a baby 5/8 inch receiver smack dab in the middle. This is where our slim type half coupler with baby stud comes into play. The coupler accommodates tubing 2 inches in diameter, just like the Big Ben. It features a solid steel baby 5/8 inch pin. Its slim profile cuts a lot of bulk, weighing in only at 0.97 pounds, but still has an impressive 220 pound load capacity. First, we'll open the coupler. Then we'll close the coupler around the pipe, swing the bolt up, and tighten the wing nut until snug. Now we'll slide the baby receiver of our light fixture onto the stud. Tighten the knob clockwise until secure. Place a safety cable through the yoke and over the pipe for added security, and you are good to go. Whenever you are rigging lights inside a studio to a pipe grid, or any 2-inch tubing, the slim type half couplers are the perfect mix of high strength and low weight. Now that's a wrap. Thanks for watching. When it comes to your image-making dreams and your grip equipment, at Kupo we like to say, never let go.